Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. Give this video a like, and today we are going to be opening up the Tarte beauty kit that I got in the mail. I ordered it, kind of pissed off because they sent it to the wrong address and I had to reorder it, and some of the products that I originally ordered were sold out, so then I had to get something different, and so now we're here. So we're just going to test everything out that I did get, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, you know what to do. So I got a bunch of stuff from Tarte in a beauty kit that I actually haven't had the chance to use. So we are going to use it together and see how I like it. There's all sorts of products here for us to test out. So we'll see if it's any good. Highly disappointed because when I ordered something completely different and they lost my package in the mail. So this is what I have now. I'm not like terribly mad, but you know, could have been better. We gotta conceal our eyes first. I like using the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. My other favorite is the Tarte Shape Tape, although the Tarte Shape Tape is $27, so that is an expense I am not willing to pay right now. Okay. We're gonna go into the Jawbreaker Palette. We're gonna go in with this red. And we're kind of gonna make like a little loop. I'm just gonna go right around the eye. No special shape or anything. Going with a little bit of orange. You know what? No. I'm gonna go with yellow. I'm gonna go with a little bit of yellow. With a little bit of raspberry right there. Just blending the two colors together. Really. I feel like this needs a little bit more depth though. Like the red doesn't go deep enough. Let's see how this. Take a little bit of Calabasas. Yeah. There she blows. I like that. Okay, awesome. Yes. So we took Calabasas here and just kind of placed it over the other reds. See how that would do. Okay. Now we're gonna cut my crease. We're gonna do a halo eye. We're gonna cut my crease. Just like that. Cut this nice crease. It's actually a halo, but you know, it's still your crease. And then we're going to take Calabasas again on this little brush and blend it in. Now we're going to take lemon drop right there. And we're going to take a little bit more of Calabasas and blend that out. And then then we're going to take a little bit of Jawbreaker, I feel like. Just a little bit of that right in the center. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and then we'll come back and test out all these Tarte products that I just got in the mail. And yeah, so okay. Now we're gonna test out the Tarte products that I got. So we have the Tarte face tape in Fair Neutral. Let's see if this is any good. It looks a little white on camera, but in person it's not really that bad. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face makeup until I get to the blush, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got this blush, and I've tried Tarte. It's the same, you know, brand and everything, just different shade, and it's one of my favorite blushes, so we'll try this one. This one's called Captivity. I just really like peachy colors, so I figured this one would be nice. See how it looks. I think it's pretty. So now we're going to take Jeffree Star's Jawbreaker, I mean Mystery Frost. I'm sorry, I don't know why I said Jawbreaker. Can't breathe, can't talk, can't what. You have to draw on some eyebrows, obviously. So give me just a second for that. Okay. That'll do for today. I don't really care. I don't really want to spend too much time on it. Huh. Okay. So now we're going to go back into the eyeshadow palette. Actually, you know what? We're going to go into the Jeffree Star Morphe Cloud first. We're going to take Calabasas on our lower lash line, like that. Now we're going to take Raspberry. We're going to get into a little bit of the red now. I'm kind of trying to smoky blow, you know, smoke it out, blow it out, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to work in this, by the way, just so you know. If you're ever curious, like, do I tone it down for work? No, I now work at Walmart, and they want you to be yourself, so this is myself. This just be how I be showing up to work every day, like, hey, how you doing? I'm gonna put on some liner. This is the Sex Kitten liner. We're gonna put on some lashes. Hopefully my camera doesn't die by then. Sorry, I got so many kids screaming. Okay, I'm gonna try on this lipstick. It's Sis. It also came in my package, so that's pretty. I should have done my eyes a little darker though to match. Honestly, I had forgotten what color I ordered, but now looking at it, I think it was supposed to be a brown. I'm gonna put mascara on. This is the one that came in my bundle. Alright guys, I think that was it for my bag. I think that's all I got in my beauty bag from Tarte. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave a comment letting me know what you'd like to see next, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!